In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to load in your template using Canva. Whether you're a beginner or someone looking to refresh your skills, this tutorial will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can effectively manage and utilize templates in Canva for your design projects. So let's get started. First, you'll want to open Canva and navigate to the design that you want to work with. Once you have your design open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You should see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This action will open a menu with various sharing options and additional features, providing a platform for different collaborative opportunities and functionalities within Canva. Following this, look for the option that says See All. Clicking on this will expand the menu to show all available options for sharing and collaboration. This feature ensures that you're not missing out on any tools or options that Canva has to offer, so make sure to explore what's available. Next, you'll want to click on the template link. This step is crucial because it's what allows you to transform your design into a template that can be easily shared and reused. The link here serves as the bridge to your future editing and template creation endeavors. After clicking on the template link, you'll need to find and click the Create Template Link button. By doing so, you're enabling your design to be categorized and recognized by Canva as a template. This classification is especially helpful if you're planning to use this design repeatedly or share it with your team or audience for adaptation to their specific needs. Once you've clicked to create the template link, you will see an option to copy the link that has been generated. Make sure to do this carefully. Click on copy to save the link to your clipboard. This is an essential step because the link is what you'll be using to access this template outside of the current session. Finally, with the link copied, open a new tab in your browser and paste the template link into the address bar. Hit enter and you should see your template loading up. This is where your design will appear, ready for use with all the customizations you've previously set up. It should open in Canva just as you were working on it, complete with all the elements and designs intact. And there you have it. Within just a few easy steps, you've successfully loaded your template in Canva, making your design process smoother and more efficient. Remember, mastering these skills not only boosts your productivity, but also enhances the collaborative potential of Canva, letting you design effortlessly with your team or by yourself. Happy designing, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.